Adentro. Piedras por abajo, señores. Uno, dos, tres. Ya. Abajo, 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 abajo. Abajo.
Dale más.
No puede más.
We just got the truck unstuck. We're out on an expedition in Honduras right now. And basically, I'm gonna show you guys the basics of a dry bag on this expedition. And on the next expedition, what I'll do is I'll actually show you these out on the water and using them. So basically, a bag here, you can hook up backpack straps or carry straps here to here, a carry strap there. You put all your stuff inside that you want to carry. For example, this stuff here, I'll stick it in the dry bag. And what you do is you roll, I like to roll mine at least 3 times. The instructions tell you, oh, fold 3 times, okay? So you put it here. 1, 2, 3. Fold it. And then your bag is completely waterproof. You could submerge it completely. You can submerge it completely in the water and it's waterproof, okay? Waterproof, 100% waterproof. There's water resistant bags with zippers and things of that nature, but you can never trust those. If you want 100%, I use a lot of camera equipment and stuff like that. I'm gonna use these for all my camera equipment and I trust them, okay? I'm looking at this bag, it's good construction. It's a medium to heavy weight material. So what I was talking about with the other type of bag, this is a Magpul bag and I like these. They're convenient, but they're not truly waterproof. So I use these kind of not in extreme environments, not when I'm around water. I don't even really like to have it when I'm this close to the water. I just wanted to show you guys, this is the kind of bag that I would use that some people think are waterproof, but they're not truly waterproof. When a bag like these, this is the larger size, is truly waterproof. And they come with the straps, they come with an instruction book. As you can see, this is a size larger. So the 20 liter has a true backpack system. And so basically with this larger size, it's the true full backpack style. The one size smaller, which is the 10 liter, is a sling bag. The larger also has a handle, okay? And the 30 liter is the same thing as this one, but it is just obviously the larger size. 30 liter, they got 10, 20, and 30 liter. Let me know what you think about these, or if you guys like dry bags, or if you use dry bags, let me know when you use them below. Comment below. I'm gonna put the link for these in the description below, and the next time that we're going out on the next expedition, we're gonna fill these up and bring them out on the water and really put them into full testing. This is the initial unboxing. Thanks guys, appreciate you checking in.